हम लोग समुद्र में कूद गए हैं, तैरना पड़ेगा. Preparation to an unseen activity helps you overcome that if it really comes into real life. When you are in a partnership, it is as good as you're in a marriage. A dreamy world, of course, Elon Musk. I think ये हसल वर्ड को बहुत ग्लैमराइज किया गया है.
So, welcome, Mr. Vineet Mittal, Navitas Solar. Welcome to Reality Unfiltered, and I'm sure कि आपकी जो जर्नी रही है एज ए यंग स्टार्टअप फाउंडर एज वेल, बहुत सारे और यंगस्टर्स को आप इंस्पायर कर पाएंगे.
Thank you, Yagna. Thank you for hosting me,
Yeah.
hosting our company, and we look forward to this interaction.
So, एट टाइम्स ऐसा होता है लाइफ में कि अपन एक फीलिंग आती है कि दिस इज माई शॉट टू अचीव समथिंग या टू रीच दैट टारगेट, बट देन समटाइम्स लाइफ विल हिट एंड क्रश योर ड्रीम्स. तो ऐसे टाइम पे क्या माइंडसेट होना चाहिए? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आपकी जब फैक्ट्री स्टार्ट हुई थी, इनिशियल फ्यू इयर्स इट गॉट बर्न डाउन,
Yes.
राइट? तो उसके बाद आप लोग का वापस कम बैक हुआ, एंड ऐसे टाइम पे जब लाइफ पूरा क्रश कर दे, क्या माइंडसेट होना चाहिए, क्या वर्किंग होनी चाहिए?
So I think more than the after effects, are you well prepared for any such sudden mishap? It can be anything. It can be the market crash. It can be a physical accident like what we had, a fire incident. Practically 9 months after our first production was out. So it was not even years. It was in the first year itself. So on a technical level, because we had insurance, so we were in a way prepared. We had that kind of risk mitigation, and which is in a way very normal thing. But people don't really give a lot of importance to those backup solutions. We had it through a very good insurer, and when their people visited us, no one had any query whether this claim is genuine or not. So in that sense, everyone supported us truly. The point is that when there is a hardship, when there is adversity, there will be people who will be helping us. And then हम लोग उसके लिए कितने prepared है, we never know. There is nothing like being 100% prepared, or at least to the extent that we can envisage. कुछ चीज़ें हमारे कंट्रोल के बाहर होगी, कुछ चीज़ें होगी जो डेफिनेटली हमको करनी चाहिए. So maybe because of our initial ignorance or we don't know a lot of things, तो हम लोग को बहुत चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं पता होता है. वी शुड, बट दैट इज़ नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज. मार्केट है, वंस वी आर इन दी आउट, वी आर आउट. हम लोग समुद्र में कूद गए हैं, तैरना पड़ेगा. So we have to at least take as much support from all the support system that we have, our seniors, our elders, our consultants, our people in the company, or all the good wishes, friends and family. We have to take as much advice as possible. Take their feedback. उनके जहाँ जहाँ पे भी कोई particular suggestion है, we should try to see if really makes sense or not. Is it really implementable or not, and not really thinking कि नहीं ये नहीं होएगा या मैं देख लूँगा. I don't know वो कितना सही है. Not being daredevil, but we have to be having risk mitigation as much as possible. यहाँ पे हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बात कर रहे थे, but there are so many other businesses that are there in these days. तो वहाँ पे मार्केट की फ्लक्चुएशन से लेके वोलेटिलिटी इन गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज. सो देयर सो मेनी अननोन फैक्टर्स. जहाँ जहाँ पे हम हो सके उतनी चीज़ को तो प्रिपेयर करके चले. सो आई थिंक प्रिपरेशन टू एन अनसीन एक्टिविटी helps you overcome that if it really comes into real life.
आई थिंक फोर्सिंग द प्रॉब्लम जो सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. अगर आप पहले ही प्रिडिक्ट कर लो और फिर आप प्रिपेयर कर लो.
Correct.
राइट. अब वन थिंग आई सी अ लॉट इन दिस जनरेशन कि सब लोग बहुत प्रॉब्लम ओरिएंटेड रहते हैं, सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड इतने नहीं है.
When you say generation, means which generation exactly?
माय जनरेशन. कि दे विल क्रिप अराउंड कि भाई क्या हो गया, या सपने देखेंगे क्या हो सकता था, लेकिन ये नहीं कि अच्छा हो गया अब क्या करना है. एंड यहाँ पे आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फैक्टर्स जो इसको कॉज करता है वो है कम्युनिकेशन, राइट? एक ट्रांसपेरेंट कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता तो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स मिसलीड होते हैं एंड एट्सेट्रा. अब चाहे एक फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप में कम्युनिकेशन हो या चाहे एक पार्टनर के बीच में हो, कहीं ना कहीं मिसकम्युनिकेशन बहुत होता है. एंड आप लोग का स्टार्टअप इज़, यू आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ को फाउंडर्स, So how do you manage your communications and how do you work towards that problem solving skills together?
Basically, when you are in a partnership, it is as good as you're in a marriage. We have been saying this in and out. From the first day, our parents have explained us this very clearly when we started this together. Practically, literally, it was like a arranged marriage where elders meet and decide कि ये नया business करना है and are we the right fit. तो उसमें first of all the chemistry what we call
हाँ.
so chemistry one between the co-founders of course, but then also synergies among the skill sets which
Okay.
is
हाँ.
very important. जैसे हम 5 लोग हैं, we are 5 co-founders, myself, Ankit, Aditya, Saurabh and Sunay. 2 of us are engineers, Sunay being an electrical engineer, Aditya is a civil engineer. Myself and Saurabh, we both are chartered accountants, but
Okay.
having very different experience, even being a CA. He is very good in systems and technologies. I have more interest on some other sales and other outreach related
Right.
activities. Ankit has been a economic honors graduate, then in MBA from IIM Ranchi. So we had a good mix of different skill set, and then coming on board, working together, leading individual verticals depending on our liking and our actual skill set. हमने जो जो चीज़ें पढ़ी है, is there the scope to implement those? May not be on day one everything will be utilized, but at least we have a background कि हम अगर कोई चीज़ पे बात कर रहे हैं, we have some background behind this. Um, we can speak confidently about that particular subject, and when someone is speaking to us, he will respect us for our achievement. May not be in the business, बट एटलीस्ट इन अवर एजुकेशन करियर हमने उस टाइम पे हमारा कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव टाइम यूटिलाइज किया था, एंड इट वाज नॉट जस्ट एनी अदर कॉलेज डिग्री. सो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर. Then regarding the communication point, it is like if you are getting married and if you're not speaking to your partner, it is going to be a difficult situation. Similarly, in any partnership, in our partnership, of course, we also have other difference of opinion, a lot of arguments, lot of disagreements. But end of the day, वो particular एक thought process पे रहता है जो हमको लगता है कि कंपनी के लिए सही है. It's never personal and individual. It's
Correct.
always towards a
हाँ.
certain goal, and there can be different ways to achieve that goal. So maybe at some point of time कि किसी एक का conviction किसी subject के ऊपर ज़्यादा strong है, and he puts that out in a certain way. It might not be ideal for the other guy, but then किसको ज़्यादा सब्जेक्ट पे कन्विक्शन या
Knowledge है.
एक्सपर्टीज है,
हाँ.
और इवन फॉर दैट मैटर वीटो पावर भी है एंड ऑफ द डे. सो देन
हाँ.
दैट पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन स्टैंड्स whether the other guy likes or not, and then we move forward and then we look at it in hindsight के वो चीज़ many times जिसने वो gut feeling के साथ या एक particular calculation के साथ में decision लिया था, more often than not that's the right thing that we have observed, rather than just कि मेरे को सही नहीं लग रहा है, someone who is knowing this or he is able to bring this out in a
Analyze the
conviction
situation
manner.
better. Yeah.
But the whole point is उसके ऊपर discuss होना चाहिए, उसके
हाँ.
ऊपर एक it has to be a thorough strategic call. ये सब day to day में तो होएगा नहीं, these things will happen on a important or topic or subject. तो communication, अब उसके अंदर is it a regular discussion, is it like a one time thing or an on off thing? There is a chemistry between each group, but there has to be a certain way. It can be on a physical one to one kind of discussion, purely on what messages or some other way, depending on the gravity of the situation.
आई थिंक वो एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बहुत अच्छा है कि अगर मैं मार्केटिंग आउटरीच में हूँ तो बाकी टीम मेरे पे ट्रस्ट करेगी कि हाँ ये डिपार्टमेंट ये संभाल लेगा. राइट.
वो तो उसके बिना काम ही नहीं चलेगा. इफ यू कीप ऑन पोकिंग समवन एल्सेस जॉब, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप अपना काम अच्छे से नहीं कर पाओगे, एंड देयर इज सो मच टू डू. देयर इज नो ऑप्शन अदर देन ट्रस्टिंग ईच अदर.
राइट.
अगर ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं तो ही वो पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी हो जाएगा, दैट आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी, आई हैव टू मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ दिस. इट इज़ फॉर द कंपनी, फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस, फॉर द टीम दैट इज़ इन द कंपनी, और तो ही वो बेस्ट उसका निकाल के ला पाएगा. सो ट्रस्ट के बिना इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन.
आपका ओपिनियन क्या है आज के हसल कल्चर के ऊपर, जहाँ सब लोग बात करते हैं कि भागो भागो भागो, काम करो, वर्क 20 आवर्स आउट ऑफ 24 आवर्स, ठीक है स्लीप वीप तो बाद में मिल जाएगी, अभी सक्सेसफुल स्टार्ट अर्ली एंड डू दैट। तो उस पर आपका ओपिनियन क्या है?
आई थिंक ये हसल वर्ड को बहुत ग्लैमराइज किया गया है. It was always there, I would assume.
ओके,
Much more in our elder generation than now it is.
वेरी ट्रू।
तो सर्वाइवल का एक क्वेश्चन मार्क था इन
हाँ,
दी 70s एंड 80s एंड मे बी 90s के डेकेड में. तब तो इट वाज लाइक द हसल फॉर ब्रेड एंड बटर. आज के दिन हम जो भी हसल की बात कर रहे हैं दैट इज मोर फॉर अचीविंग अवर ड्रीम्स एम्बिशंस, आवर ओन ड्रीम विश लिस्ट, ठीक है ना. तो उसमें वो प्रेशर है ही नहीं जो हमारे एल्डर्स अपने सब लोग के पीछे था. एंड द इकोनॉमी वाज आल्सो नॉट सपोर्टिंग दैट मच. तो आज के दिन जो हसल है वो अगर कोई 5-6 घंटे भी काम करता है उसको लगता है कि उसने बहुत मेहनत कर ली एंड इज एंटाइटल्ड. वो समवेयर डाउन द लाइन इट इज़ नॉट द राइट थिंग. इफ़ ही इज़ डूइंग समथिंग देन इट इज़ हिज जॉब, उसको करना है वो काम. नॉट रियली बिकॉज कि वो कर रहा है तो सब लोग उस सब काम छोड़ के उसके पीछे लग जाए. तो हसल कल्चर को आप जिस भी तरह से डिफाइन करिए एंड एवरीवन इज डूइंग देयर ओन बेस्ट, बट देयर हैज़ टू बी अ सर्टेन line drawn where you cannot cross the line between a good manner and being hustling every time and not recognizing anyone else's effort. क्योंकि किसी का हसल बहुत affluently बाहर दिखता है, someone even tries to even showcase that, and few people are doing it silently without too much of a noise. तो इस पे हर बार बात होती है कि someone like a Rahul Dravid was maybe one of the biggest hustler but he will never show it on his face. But there will be other sports people who will do very small and they will make a lot of noise around it.
राइट।
So hustling का कोई clear definition है नहीं. I think it is important that you work hard and then you also maintain a certain level of camaraderie with your people around.
ओके, तो आपका फेवरेट एंटरप्रेन्योर कौन है एंड व्हाट इज योर बेस्ट ट्रेट यू लाइक अबाउट हिम?
I have to think frankly. I have never thought in that direction. In a dreamy world, of course, Elon Musk से बहुत लोग इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं.
हाँ,
The way he has achieved so much with so many diverse businesses and the kind of belief system he passes on to the team, because of which the team is working so hard day in day out, where I mean you can say he's like a true hustler, practically
yeah.
working 18-20 hours for so many years. So someone like him is like a true inspiration for any new age entrepreneur. He can speak in everyone's language in any platform. You can speak AI language or a hardware like a Tesla or a space like a SpaceX, or this boring company which where they are doing this tunnel transportation. So very diverse businesses and the kind of self conviction that he has, that is beyond imagination. मतलब इतनी बार उसकी कंपनी bankrupt होते होते बची है and still he has been able to survive and somehow grow. So he is not only passing on the belief system but he understands the nitty gritties as well, which is very rare. आप बहुत flashy oratory skills possess कर सकते हो, but then you should also know how is it possible technically. So their team members don't only love him for whatever he speaks, but when they go to him and ask for a solution, he would have
He would have a
certain
solution.
specific answer.
Yeah.
Know few people who have worked with him personally. I know those people. So there is a lot of personal interaction that he brings on the table. तो उसके लिए he has this habit of going into the detail as well,
Correct.
and then making sure that this particular activity is achieved. So I think that is one trait that is kind of missing currently, where people try to look at the bird eye view too much but not getting into the specific
Root and-
difficulties on the down level,
हाँ.
ground level. So once you appreciate the specific challenges that a team employee is facing and being able to provide concrete answers to this, that really helps. मतलब
Okay.
खाली fancy words के बदले specific answers भी चाहिए.
हाँ, so what are your principles of life and work?
It's a very big question again, but let me try. So honestly, I think being true to your work, being true to yourself, your family, your colleagues, and obviously your customers, your suppliers. So being honest is like a very big important factor today. हमारे जो हमारे प्रोफेसर थे मिस्टर जय सायरा, सी जय सायरा सर, he always used to say कि honesty is still the best policy. So
Okay.
it is not the best, it is still the best policy. अब इसको भरोसा को छोड़ो मत. You have to be
हम्म,
honest with, you have to be ईमानदार. ईमानदारी की कोई कीमत नहीं है.
कीमत
It
नहीं
cannot be
है.
quantified. So once you are true, your customers start believing in you over the long term. They will know that you will not cut corners. Your bankers will believe in you that you will be ready to repay your loan in time. And of course, it has to be backed up with lot of performance, lot of on-ground results.
Yes.
But being true to your work is, I think, paramount. Then I think humility and support system with your team is very important. Being able to address their challenges as much as possible. Of course, there is a certain limitation, but there can be a softer approach to things to get results from them and still being able to handle their crises or problems. And then I think respecting someone's skill set is very important, uh, and being able to get benefit out of that as well, because someone is
Being able to
really skillful
leverage
in a
it.
certain way and he is in your
Yeah.
team, then why not? You should be able to enhance
L-
that particular skill
Yeah.
for the benefit of the company, and because someone is utilizing that skill gets even more improvised. So
Correct, correct.
first being able to identify those skills and then trying to
Use it, enhance it, and because better तो कंपनी का ही होना है.
कंपनी का होएगा तो उस पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय का भी होएगा. इट्स
हाँ.
वाइस वर्सा.
और वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई हैव फॉर यू. क्या एडवाइजेज है आपकी फॉर पीपल लाइक मी, फॉर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जो स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड में घुस रही है या ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में घुस रही है? क्या एडवाइजेज है आपके एक्सपीरियंस बेसिस पे? व्हाट डू यू वांट देम टू टेक केयर ऑफ एंड एटसेट्रा?
सो आई थिंक पेशेंस, परसिस्टेंस, इस पे हमने बहुत बार बात करी है पास्ट में.
हाँ.
नॉट बीइंग एबल टू asking for results on the first quarter or the first year also, and having a really long vision कि हम जिस सेक्टर में एंटर हो रहे हैं, it's not a fashion, it is going to stay for the long
Right.
term. It is not a short term opportunity. You are there for a long term, because ये एक्टिविटी या ये बिजनेस एटलीस्ट 10-20-25 साल चलने वाला है, एंड यू नॉट मूविंग अवे. इट्स नॉट लाइक अभी एक ट्रेंड है, इसमें मैं एंटर हो जाता हूँ, फिर हम देखेंगे आगे क्या करना है. यू शुड बी रियली स्टिकिंग टू द plan that you have and the sector that you choose to work. So having this macro approach is really important. Any activity that you are going to do, any business you do, it has to be in line with the country's policy that you are working with. ठीक है, हम इंडिया में हैं, हम इंडिया की पॉलिसी के अगेंस्ट में कोई बिजनेस करेंगे, इट इज नेवर गोइंग टू हेल्प
That is
अस,
not gonna run.
राइट? So there are so many open-ended policies being announced by the government day in day out. You have to do your little bit of research. There's so much of data available, so much of data.
Correct.
तो आप उसके बेसिस पे अपना एक मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. वी टॉक अबाउट टैम, टोटल एड्रेसेबल मार्केट, लाइक specific language, but being a
Yeah.
very large market, and then even if you do a smaller percentage out of this, still that business becomes very big.
That
So
becomes
having
the
a very
SAM.
large addressable market
Yeah.
is very important, very very important. अगर कोई मार्केट अगर 1000 करोड़ की टिकट साइज का है, even though you are doing 20%, still going to be max out at 200 crores of revenue in that particular sector. For someone 200 crores is very big, for someone it's like a very small peanut. कहीं पे भी 20% market share मिलना in a market is a very big task. So we have to be careful कि हम क्या percentage market share target कर रहे हैं. Is it really achievable? Very large corporates also would have maybe 5 and 10% in their leadership position in that sector. So having a large market share, market cap would be really helpful. Being persistent, as I said, and then being true to that skill set. You have to enhance your skills. You have to meet so many people. You have to keep on interacting with the right people, with the seniors in the industry, asking for their advice, asking for their time and support. Going to these exhibitions and conferences,
Yeah.
just observing what is happening around. So that's a part of the whole research, but
Correct.
an ongoing activity as well.
How everything is happening, how people are doing things.
And then once actually you start your own thing, then having a very strict control on your cash flow. Uh,
Okay.
that how much money you have in the account while you're starting afresh with practically almost no equity, or you are going to put your own money, your family wealth, you're going to raise money. Is it enough for the activity you want to do? If you're in a research phase, how much is your monthly budget expense? How much is the yearly outflow you are looking at? You will be hiring people, you will be doing a lot of other activities for, say, marketing and promotion. So you should be very careful on what your budget is. Never
हाँ.
go overboard with that. It's a very basic thing, very basic thing, but
Right.
we get carried away with the smaller successes in certain, say, promotional activity if we are done and we want to overdo it. But उसका एक certain result एक minimum level पे आएगा with whether you do a very aggressive marketing or not, and whether your cash flow allows you or not.
Correct.
So you have to be very careful of your own cash flow, how much paisa money is coming in, going out, are you drawing salary or not? If you're drawing salary, is it really worth the business that you have built or not? If you are in another company's payroll, would you have been able to achieve that much salary or not if you are withdrawing on your own? Many times if you are on your own, if you are working with your own family wealth, it's okay. But if you are raising money, if you are raising equity, and then you are responsible to someone else capital, then these things become far more important.
Yeah. तो एक फाइनेंस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आती है. एंड आई थिंक कि आई वर्ड दिस फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ, जैसे भी आपने बोला लोगों से सीखना है, दैट इज़ व्हाट आल्सो आई डू. तो बहुत जगह ये एम्फोसिस होता है कि कैश फ्लो मैनेजमेंट पीपल ओवरसी, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द कोर बॉटम्स, पीपल ओवरसी हो जाएगा. बट हाँ, गोइंग टू द डिटेल आई थिंक रियली हेल्प सस्टेन द कंपनी फॉर द लॉन्गर टर्म एज वेल.
एंड देन उसके लिए आप, ये बहुत बेसिक चीज़ है. इफ यू हैव समवन हु इज गोइंग टू गाइड यू on a brief level but on a continuous level, someone who is looking at your numbers from day 1 to the 12th month of the year, so he will be able to guide you better. So
Correct.
having a sort of advisor, mentor,
well-wisher,
board advisor, कुछ भी नाम बोल दो उनको, or someone from the family, your family would be the best advisor for that, because सबने business किया हुआ है, या they would have a hang of the numbers. So then completely relying on them कि भाई हम जो कर रहे हैं, and then you be very transparent on your numbers and then look at their advices.
Yeah. So thank you so much, and I'm sure जो micro detailing on specific topics हमने बात की है, people will now at least start taking them into account whenever, if anyone sees, whoever sees this, and whenever they start something of their own, it should remind them कि हाँ, micro detailing is the base.
So I think there is a good mix of youth with a little bit of guidance, it can really excel.
Yeah, I think this is the charm of India, the wiseness of the seniors and the energy of the youth.
You're still quite young. We are in the same boat. We look for the same. Yes.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for all the amazing
Thank you
learning
so
you
much.
shared.
Thank you for hosting us. Thank you.
Yeah.